Hi there, I'm back. So, what I can say, I've been long gone and just didn't have any time to actually do anything. But now I am doing loads. So look, I've tidied up the garage and built a little loft over there. See? Half of it is screwed together, half of it is welded together. I even made my own bolt in there. But most of the parts of the 242 and V70 and stuff is here. Also, you see, there's no V70. It's gone. Scrapped it. Ashtray is gone as well. And the 242 is going up in the air, and the suspension is going today. That is the engine that is going to go in the 242. And yes, it's going to be 16 valve and turbo. And this is probably going to be for sale. Yeah, that's not as high as it's gonna go. Oh well. Let's try to do the other side. The back end goes. Right, that's up. Lovely. Yeah, take the wheels off and see what I can do with the suspension. So as you can see, there isn't any calipers in there, purely because I just cut the hoses off when I had to move it, because they were all so rotten I couldn't actually even move the car on my own. So the best bit about 240s is that it's got a handbrake, which is on a separate system, so it's in the inside the drum there. Wow, did you see that? "40-year-old car." 40. And 0. Everything just on bolts. Wow. Yeah, so there you go, you see, those two came out with no pressure, no nothing. Amazing. I'm really surprised. So shocks are coming out in a sec, and we'll carry on. That's interesting. I don't know how this is not stuck together. No idea. It came out really well, so wow. Now what to do next would be right, let's see what we have here.